In the digital age, where communication often lacks the nuances of face-to-face interaction, practicing emojis in kawaii style becomes a valuable skill. Kawaii culture, rooted in cuteness and playfulness, offers a unique approach to conveying emotions through visually charming symbols. Embracing this style in emojis adds a layer of warmth and friendliness to messages, making interactions more inviting and enjoyable. This is why in this video I want to share with you several kawaii emojis. For those of you who are for the first time here, my name is Ala, I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist, and from 2020 I'm an art teacher too. This 2024 I decided to have a new playlist where I will be sharing kawaii drawings. And this is why I think that the first class will be about kawaii emojis. It is the basics of the kawaii that we all need to know. The expressive nature of kawaii emojis allows individuals to go beyond mere text, enabling them to infuse personality and emotion into their digital communication. Whether it's a cheerful smiley, an adorable animal, or a cute character, these emojis create a visual language that transcends linguistic barriers, fostering a global sense of connection. This practice is particularly beneficial in the realm of online communication, where the absence of facial expressions and tone can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Kawaii emojis act as emotive cues, enriching the context of messages and helping to establish a positive and relatable tone. In digital spaces such as social media, where brevity is key, kawaii emojis provide a concise yet impactful way to express feelings. Moreover, as online interactions increasingly become a significant part of daily life, the use of kawaii emojis aligns with the evolving dynamics of digital culture. Embracing this style not only makes communication more engaging, but also reflects an awareness of contemporary forms of expression. In essence, practicing emojis in kawaii style is not just about incorporating cute visuals into messages, it's about recognizing the importance of visual elements in enhancing the overall quality of digital communication. It contributes to a more vibrant, inclusive, and expressive online environment, where individuals can connect and communicate with a touch of adorable charm. The origins of kawaii drawing can be traced back to Japan in the mid-20th century. The concept kawaii, meaning cute or adorable, emerged as a cultural and artistic phenomenon. One of the early influences on kawaii culture was the post-war era, when Japan was undergoing rapid industrialization and urbanization. In response to the harshness of that period, there was a desire for more innocence and simplicity in various aspects of life. In the 1970s, the kawaii aesthetic began to gain popularity through the rise of characters like Hello Kitty, created by the Sanrio company. Hello Kitty's simple, cute design captured the hearts of many and became a cultural icon, symbolizing the essence of kawaii. Sanrio's success paved the way for a broader adoption of kawaii elements in Japanese popular culture. During the 1980s and 1990s, kawaii expanded beyond characters to include a wide range of cute products, fashion, and importantly, art. Manga and anime played a significant role in popularizing kawaii drawing styles. Artists began incorporating adorable and childlike features into characters, creating a visually distinct and charming aesthetic. The kawaii art style continued to evolve, influenced by contemporary trends, youth culture, and technological advancements. With the advent of the internet and social media, kawaii drawings found a global audience transcending cultural boundaries. Today, kawaii drawing has become a recognized and influential art form celebrated not only in Japan but worldwide. It reflects a cultural appreciation for cuteness and innocence, providing a creative outlet that resonates with people of all ages. The kawaii aesthetic has permeated various aspects of design, fashion, and art, leaving an indelible mark on global visual culture. If you enjoyed listening for this information about the origins of kawaii and about the emojis in kawaii style, don't forget to like this video and to leave any comment below. As well, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for getting more videos like this. And one of the things that I would like to ask you is that if you have any specific wishes of what would you like to see in this kawaii playlist, leave a comment below of anything you would like me to draw, and I will draw it, and we'll do new specific videos straight away. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye!